If you want to set a custom ringtone on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings we should be able to proceed to the Sound and Vibration option. And after that we can go to the phone ringtone. Now in here make sure that you have the classic option selected and go to Default Ringtone. And then we can choose My Sounds, and in here we can press Add New Sounds. Now from this list we need to choose the audio file that we wish to set as a custom ringtone. So if you have your file saved on your phone, then now you should be able to tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner. And then in here we can go to audio or downloads or your phone storage, however you want to, depending if you have any idea where your file is selected. In my case it is in download over here. So now I can choose that sound. It's going to be added to this list, so now I can select it in here, and then I can choose this check in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.